Hey guys, I just want to do a quick tutorial today on how to set up Microsoft Authenticator with your mobile device. This is a really important protection that we use for a lot of things, but today I'm going to be showing you how to set that up for your Office 365 account. And so I'm going to be going through this video as though it's your first time ever setting this up on a new device. And I will do another video on how to set up Microsoft Authenticator if you get a new device. But let's get right into it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to login.microsoftonline.com. You might also, depending on how your company is set up, you might come across these prompts when you're first logging into your computer. But if that's the case, it's all going to be the same. It doesn't matter. You're still going to end up with a screen that looks just like this. You might just not have to go to login.microsoftonline.com. And again, links will all be in the comments or in the description. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to type in our email address and our password. And that's going to take us to this screen, and it's going to say more information required. And that is the sign that you're about to go through the multi-factor authentication setup. So let's see, I'm going to get this recording on my iPad here. I'm going to use an iPad today as my mobile device. It doesn't really matter. You can use an iPad, you can use an iPhone, an Android. It's really all the same. Once you get the app downloaded from the Google Play Store or the App Store, it's really all the same. So I'm just going to go ahead and click Next here, and on my computer, that will take me to this screen. It's going to say, start by getting the app. Again, this is what it looks like. If you type this in to the Play Store or the App Store, you should find this and download that application. We're just going to click next a couple times, and now we're going to switch to our mobile device. So I think I uninstalled this app prior to this video, so I'm going to go into the App Store, and I'm going to do a search for the Microsoft Authenticator. And you can see it just autofills up there. I'm going to hit download. That downloads pretty quick. Then I'm going to open it. I'm going to hit I agree down here. And then we have these three options on the iPad here. I'm just going to hit scan a QR code, and that's going to ask me if I want to access the camera. I'm going to hit OK or allow. I'm going to hit OK on the next screen, and then I'm just going to point my camera at the screen until it picks up. And as soon as it asks you if you would like to enable notifications, you've got it. So just hit allow or enable, depending on your device. It'll do some thinking, and then we've got our account name right here. So we can see that, Johnny, we've got a one-time passcode, but that's not really what we're using. Just having the account here is really all we're looking for. Then we're going to go back to the computer, and we're going to hit next. And that's going to give us this approve message on our mobile device. And we're just going to hit approve, and that will allow us to let Microsoft know, hey, not only do you have my username and password, but this is actually me. I also have the device that I used to set this up. And that's how we're going to protect this account. So next video that I'm about to do is going to be how to set this up if you're changing devices. But hopefully that helps you guys get that set up if this is your first time setting this up. If you have any questions, as always, you can call us at 719-310-0880, and we'll be happy to help. But hope this helps make this a little easier for you guys.